the hills so green. A river sings where I've never been. The earth hums low, it knows my name. The breeze it whispers, calls me again. Nature calling me home, where the trees stand tall and the wild winds roll. Nature calling me, don't let me stray. I hear the rhythm of the earth today. The clouds paint skies in colors untold. The forest breeds stories older than gold. Barefoot I walk, feeling alive. The pulse of the world keeps me in stride. Every bird a melody, every leaf a memory. Nature calling me home, where the trees stand tall and the wild winds roll. Nature calling me, don't let me stray. I hear the rhythm of the earth today. Roots dig deep and hearts do too. Mountains rise like dreams come true. The rain's a drummer, steady beat under my skin. It's a nature calling me home, where the trees stand tall and the wild winds roam. Nature calling me, don't let me stray. I hear the rhythm of the earth today. River bends but never breaks. Roots dig deep while the mountain waves. Sunrise whispers through the misty air. Earth's heartbeat loud, you feel it there. Nature fire flow, let the rhythm grow. Feel the earth below, where the green winds blow. Nature fire flow, let the spirit show. Burning
shadows beneath the moon. Clouds roll heavy, rain begins to play. Life keeps turning night and day. Listen close, the earth will speak. In every stone, in every creek, nature fire flow. Let the rhythm grow. Feel the earth below, where the green winds blow. Nature fire flow. Let the spirit show. Burning bright and slow. Love will overflow. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, the wind it calls, hear the lions roar. Wisdom rising from the jungle floor. Flames of passion light the darkest sky. Nature's true, it never Sunrise paints the sky with gold. River whispers secrets untold. Roots dig deep where stories grow bold. Oh, oh. Nature flow eternal, can't break the chain. Mountains stand through joy and pain. Nature flow eternal, it's all the same. Oh, oh, leaves dance soft in the morning breeze. Oceans hum ancient Skies are canvas, the sun's ablaze. Every moment speaks in a golden haze. Nature flow high, let the spirit fly. Roots so deep, reaching for the sky. Feel the earth, hear the silent cry. Nature flow high, nature flow high. The wind it whispers, secrets untold, echoes of wisdom, ancient and bold. The ground it pulses, a heart so true. Every leaf dances like it knows what to do. Nature flow high, let the spirit fly. Roots so deep, reaching for the sky. Feel the earth, hear the silent cry. Nature flow high, nature flow high. She calls, tides rolling in, stars keep watch where the night begins. Harmony rises, no need. Bends and the tall trees sway. Mountains hum to the rhythm of the day. Skies are canvas, the sun's ablaze. Every moment speaks in a golden haze. Nature flow high, let the spirit fly. Roots so deep, reaching for the sky. Feel the earth, hear the silent cry. Nature flow high, nature flow high. The wind it whispers, secrets untold, echoes of wisdom, ancient and bold. The ground it pulses, a heart so true. Every leaf dances like it knows what to do. Nature flow high, let the spirit fly. Roots so deep, reaching for the sky. Feel the earth, hear the silent cry. Nature flow high, nature flow high. she calls, tides rolling in, stars keep watch where the night begins. Harmony rises, no need to pretend. Nature's tune, a song without end. Nature flow high, let the spirit fly. Roots so deep, reaching for the sky. Feel the earth, hear the silent cry. Nature flow high, nature flow high. The trees they whisper soft and slow, a rhythm only the earth can know. Roots deep down where the rivers go, life's melody plays, it starts to grow. Nature flows, love will rise underneath the endless skies. Feel the breeze, close your eyes. Nature flows, love will rise. The sun it kisses the mountain's face, leaves a golden trace in every place. The waves they dance with a gentle grace. The heart of the earth sets the pace. Hear the drum beat in the ground. Feel the echo spinning round. Nature flows, love will rise. sunlight shines. I hear the rhythm in the lines. Nature in my heart, it beats so strong. Every leaf, every branch sings the song. Nature in my heart where I belong. Feel the earth all day long. Nature in my heart, it beats so strong. Every leaf, every branch sings the song. Nature in my heart where I belong. Feel the earth all day long. Mountains rise like a sacred call. Rivers flow like they know it all. The clouds, they dance in a slow parade. Beneath their shade, my worries fade. Oh, the earth beats low in the way only hearts know. Nature in my heart, it beats so strong. Every leaf, every branch sings the song. Nature in my heart where I belong. Feel the earth all day long. Nature in my heart, it beats so strong. Every leaf, every branch sings the song. Nature in my heart where I belong. Feel the earth all day long. Barefoot on the ground, I feel alive. No clock, no chain, just the sun to drive. A whisper in the breeze says you're not alone. This planet is your home. Is your The sun whispers truths through the morning haze. The trees stand tall, they've seen endless days. Roots dig deep where the secrets hide. I walk the earth, nature is my guide. Nature is my guide, my compass, my light. Through the darkest storm, through the endless night. Hear the rivers hum, feel the mountains wide in my heart. Nature is my guide. Nature is my guide. The wind sings songs that no man can steal. The rain speaks truths only hearts can feel. Stars paint maps across the midnight tide. I follow the path, nature is my guide. Leaves fall, seasons turn, wisdom flows. Every branch and stone, the universe knows. I don't need no map, no book to confide. Just open my soul, nature is my guide. Nature is my guide, my compass, my light. Through the darkest storm, through the endless night. Hear the rivers hum, feel the mountains wide in my heart. Nature is my guide. my guide. Nature is my
The mountain whispers slow and low, roots dig deep where rivers flow. The wind it hums a secret tune underneath the silver moon. Nature of just fire burns so bright in the dark. It's the guiding light. Nature of just fire.
Sunrise calling the earth away, whispers in the breeze, they bend and shake, mountains hum a tune so deep, while rivers run and secrets keep. Nature rising, sky so high, where spirits lie. Feel the earth sing, feel it cry. Nature rising sky. Oh my. Trees stretch tall with ancient grace. Raindrops dance on every
a lion's roar, a thunder's drum. Heartbeat of the world has come. Hear the rhythm, feel its way, guiding us through night and day. Nature rising, sky so high, roots beneath where spirits lie. Feel the earth sing, feel it cry. Nature rising, sky. Oh my. The stars, they wink at oceans wide. The moon, she pulls the evening tide. We're but a note in this endless song, yet every voice keeps moving strong. Nature rising, sky so high, roots beneath where spirits lie. Feel the earth sing, feel it cry. Nature rising, sky. Oh my. River whispers low, telling secrets I don't know. Sunrise paints the sky gold bright, while the earth hums soft tonight. Nature shine flow, let it go. Roots deep below, feel it grow. The wind sings sweet, don't you know? Nature shine flow, let it show.
Nature shine high, high, high. Paint the sky so wide, wide, wide. Oh, lift my soul, don't ask me why. River whispers in a secret tone, carves the path where love has grown. I'm not lost, I'm just alone. Whoa, oh, the earth it sways with every step we take. Nature shine high, high, high. Paint the sky so wide, wide, wide. Oh, lift my soul, don't ask me why. Nature shine high, high, high. Paint the sky so wide, wide, wide. Oh, lift my soul, don't ask me why. Mountains dance to the drum beat loud. Clouds wear sunlight like a crown proud. The wind it laughs, it shakes the ground. Mountains dance to the drum beat loud. Clouds wear sunlight like a crown proud. The wind it laughs, it shakes the ground. Nature shine high, high, high. Paint the sky so wide, wide, wide. Oh, lift my soul, don't ask me why. Nature shine high, high, high. Paint the sky so wide, wide, wide. Oh, lift my soul, don't ask me why. Under the mango tree I dream. The river hums a gentle theme. Sunlight dances on the stream. Whispers of the earth unseen. Oh, nature sing. Oh, nature cry. Peace beneath the endless sky. Roots grow deep, hearts grow high. Oh, nature sing. Oh, nature try. Mountains stand like ancient kings. Winds carry secrets on their wings. Clouds weave stories as they glide. Harmony where love resides. Feel the rhythm, feel the sound. Unity is all around. Oh, nature sing. Oh, nature cry. Peace beneath the endless sky. Roots grow deep, kiss on the ocean skin. This is where my soul begins. Nature vibe flow, let it show through the trees where the winds blow. Oh, nature vibe flow. It's the rhythm I know. Sing it low, sing it high, feel the heartbeat of the sky. Roots and branches intertwine. Nature's song, it's yours and mine. Nature vibe flow, let it show through the trees where the winds blow. Oh, nature vibe flow. It's the rhythm I know. Roots grow deep in the red earth below. The wind whispers secrets only trees know. Sunrise paints the sky with a golden glow. Life moves steady like a river, slow flow. Nature's jaw flow. Feel it in your soul. Let it guide your steps. Let it make you whole. Oh, oh. Nature's jaw flow. Hear the thunder roll. Every leaf, every drop, part of the old. Mountains hum low with a timeless pride. Ocean waves dance where the spirits reside. Birds sing songs the ancients can't hide. Under Jah sky, we all coincide. Breathe in, feel the rhythm of the land. Breathe out, touch the grains of sand. Nature's Jah flow. Feel it in your soul. Let it guide your steps. Let it make you whole. Oh, nature's Jah flow. Hear the thunder roll. Every leaf, every drop, part of the old. Part of the old. Part of the old. Rain falls soft like a mother's embrace. Moonlight shines on the human race. Stars above, they don't leave a trace. Yet their light reminds us of Jah's grace. The earth is breathing slow tonight. Our heart beats steady, pure and bright. Under the sky life begins to rise from the ground. Nature's roots, they hold us tight through the storm, through the fight. Nature's roots, our guiding light, keep us grounded day and night. The soil speaks, the seeds know. From the roots, all life will grow. Hold on, hold on, let it flow. The fire's low, the spirit's high. Under the stars where the embers lie, shadows dance on the hillside slow. Feel the rhythm, let the heartbeat grow. Oh, firelight, oh, fire bright, you keep us warm through the coldest night. Oh, firelight, oh, fire bright, guide us through till the morning light. The wind whispers secrets through the trees, a language ancient carried on the breeze. Voices laughing, stories unfold around the flame. The truth is told. Ice is right, they kiss the sky. Time stands still, we don't ask why. Oh, firelight, oh, fire bright, you keep us warm through the coldest night. Oh, firelight, oh, fire bright, guide us through till the morning light. Smoke curls up like a dream untold, a thread of silver, a line of gold. We sing together, we sway as one, till the moon steps back and calls the sun. Oh, firelight, oh, fire bright, you keep us warm through the coldest night.
sun is rising, gold in the sky. The breezes whispers, it's time to fly. Feet on the earth, heart beating high. The rhythm of life, it can't ever lie. Positive flow, let it grow, let it grow. Feel the beat, let it show, let it show. Ride the wave, let it go, let it go. Positive flow, oh, let it glow. Rain falls gentle, washing the pain. Roots dig deep through joy and strain. Every moment like drops in a chain. Keep moving forward again and again. Positive flow, let it grow, let it grow. Feel the beat, let it show, let it show. Ride the wave, let it go, let it go. Positive flow, oh, let it glow. When the night gets heavy, stars still shine. In the darkest hour, you'll find the line. Oh, to the rhythm, it's a sacred sign. Positive flow, it's yours and mine. Positive flow, let it grow, let it grow. Feel the beat, let it show, let it show. Ride away. Whispers on the mountain high. Birds sing a chorus as clouds drift by. Roots dig deep where the rivers flow. Life keeps spinning and we just grow. Oh Jah, your love so wide. Like the ocean waves in the morning tide. Oh Jah, you light my way through the darkest night to a brighter day. Rain falls softly on the thirsty ground. Beats like a drum in a sacred sound. Leaves are dancing where the winds do play. Nature speaks and we obey. Every tree and every stone, every heart finds a home. Oh Jah, your love so wide. swaying. They tell no lies. Stars like diamonds in the velvet skies. A simple life where the soul untied. Feel the breeze, let it carry your song. Life is short, but the roots stay strong. Positive island roots, they grow so deep through the rhythm of the waves. They gently speak. Oh, positive island roots, they set me free. No chains, no pain, just the sound of the sea. Every note, every beat's a part of me. Roots that hold while the spirit flies free. Sunrise paints the sky in gold. Cool breeze whispers stories untold. The earth hums low, a rhythm so bold. Positive morning light, lifting my soul, feels so right. Shine on, shine bright. Oh, positive morning light. Dewdrops glisten on the grass. A quiet promise, this too shall pass. The future's calling, no need to ask. The day begins, the world spins, heartbeats dance, life within. Positive morning light, lifting my soul, feels so right. Shine on, shine bright. Oh, positive morning light. No shadows stay where love is found. Roots run deep, we stand our ground. The melody of life, such a sweet sound. Positive morning light, lift